Alright, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, Father's Day is just around the corner, and I do hope you haven't purchased socks or ties. No, this channel's about tech, so you know what we're going to do? We're going to get some great Father's Day gifts for the techie dad. Let's do this. Do you know what his favourite film or TV series is? Does he have it on DVD, Blu-ray or 4K media? Chances are he does, but if he doesn't, get out there now and grab that film or TV series. From as little as $10 to $35, you can't go wrong with this one. Up next, Google Home Mini. For $50, this thing's a steal. Integrating with Google Assistant, it can help you do things hands-free. We use it all the time at our house by asking Google what my day looks like, what the weather's going to be. Set timers, turn things on, off, play music from your favorite music service, and you can listen to podcasts. And hey, little hint, you can actually subscribe to me on your favorite podcast service. Links down below. But hey, where was I? So this thing's great. It's small, it's cheap, $50, it's got Bluetooth. But hey, there are a few things that could be better. The first is music quality. So if you could shell out a little bit of extra, and you can buy one of the newer smarter speakers like the JBL or Sony, or grab the bigger and surprisingly better sounding quality, the Google Home, and the granddaddy of them all, the Home Max. I'll be reviewing some of these very soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, up next, a streaming box. If you haven't got one built into your TV, you absolutely need a box to stream YouTube, Netflix, Stan, or whatever your favorite service. Friends ask me all the time what to get, and my best recommendation is this. If you've got Apple products, definitely go the Apple 4K. This thing's great. You can play games on it. You can obviously watch 4K content on it. If you don't have a 4K TV, that's okay. It just downstreams to 1080 or whatever resolution of your TV is. Not much to say about this device. It still actually accepts infrared commands as well as the Bluetooth connectivity with a special remote control that it comes with. And a little top tip, mums, dads out there, that remote is very losable. Just saying. But if you're not in the Apple ecosystem, definitely get yourself either a Chromecast Ultra, or a great tip for any Australians out there is to buy yourself a Fetch TV. Now these things are great. They can stream all those services, you know, YouTube, Netflix, you name it. But also for the $1 activation fee, you get the data that tells you what is on what channel at what time. It's great at recording stuff for you, so it's a DVR essentially. Has TV subscriptions on there, packages, you know, like Foxtel equivalent type of channels, so BBC World, Discovery. It's an excellent set-top box, and one that I would recommend as, well, $400, you can't go wrong. Okay, up next. Does your hubby listen to music? Chances are he's listening to stuff with the headphones that came packed in with his phone. So you know what? Do him a favor. Go and get him some good quality wireless headphones. You can pick up some reasonably priced headphones from $90 upwards that ain't half bad. Or my recommendation is absolutely aim higher and get some wireless ones from either Sony, Audio-Technica, Beats, or my personal favorite, Bose. I've had these Quiet Comfort 25s for over 4 years now, and each time I flick the switch to turn on noise cancelling, especially on flights, I'm super impressed and vow never to go back to cheap headphones. Now the Quiet Comfort 35 Mark II adds a dedicated button for Google Assistant, but it can be programmed for other functions too. Still best in class for active noise cancelling, excellent wireless Bluetooth sound, and extra comfortable design. These headphones also work in wired mode and include the cord if the battery dies. Or if you're on a flight and you need to plug it into one of those funny air pluggy things. Yeah, at $400 to $500, they're definitely getting up there in price, but well worth the investment and something he'll enjoy for many years to come. Okay, up next. The Nintendo Switch is the console to buy right now. Chances are your dad grew up with games, maybe the SNES, N64 or GameCube, and this console comes with truckloads. Packed in your $400 to $450 purchase is a base station so they can play it on TV, a control adapter for more familiar controls, plus of course the Switch itself, which can be played for about 3 hours on one charge. The added benefit of this, the kids will love it too. I would highly recommend starting out with either Mario Odyssey or Zelda, or hey, a bit of Mario Kart's a lot of fun too. So once you got the Switch in the game, you're looking about $475 or so. but this will bring many hours of happy gameplay, and I can attest, he will love you for it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I've given you some ideas for Father's Day. There's still about 5 more days of shopping left, so get out there and definitely get your dad something that he'll really love. Okay, if you haven't done so already, do me a huge favor, subscribe, turn on notifications, put some comments below. What do you think you're getting your dad? Let me know now so that I can not tell him. I don't know him. But anyway, hope to see you real soon. Shows every Wednesday and Friday. Until then, stay techie.